it has been acknowledged that your production company, much like many, many other production companies, is in desperate need of an organized method to ingest, store, and retrieve video content. Similarly, like other production companies, you have moved to a tapeless workflow where video is acquired on computer cards or memory cards instead of videotape. It is now even more important for you to have the ability to transfer that tape, not only for editing purposes into your editing system, but also to clear that memory card so that that card can be reused on your next project. That tapeless workflow, in addition to more and more high definition acquisition, is consuming up your available storage space at a very rapid pace. You're basically running out of room on your existing servers. On top of that, you need to address the storage or the long-term archival of your finished projects. Right now you have lots of videotapes on the shelf, or tapes in boxes, many, many hard drives that contain your client's finished projects. It is very, very important for you to store that information in a very safe and secure way so that you don't risk losing that vital, vital information. In addition to that, like you know, many of your clients will ask to redo a project or redo an ad, or you just need some raw video. Right now, in your process, that is a very, very time-consuming, tedious process. You're trying to find that exact tape that contains the video content that you need. We understand your situation and your dilemma. Today, I will propose to you a solution that will provide not only the much needed storage that you need now, but also address the need for archiving on a safe and organized method that it gives you the ability to retrieve video as needed. Today I will propose to you the installation of the Adronima server. The Adronima server is a true turnkey asset management archive solution. This will give you the much needed storage, online storage, as well as the ability to archive projects. The Adronima server provides 16 terabytes of online storage capacity by utilizing 8 hot swappable hard drives. These hard drives are in a RAID configuration. RAID, R-A-I-D, which stands for Random Access of Individual Drives. Basically what that means to you is when information is sent to the server, it's not recorded on one drive till it's full, and then the next drive, and the next drive. What happened is information is shared amongst all 8 drives and mirrored, so that if you were to experience a drive failure, that drive can easily be removed or swapped out and replaced with a new drive. Once that new drive is installed, all the content, all the information that was on that drive before it failed is automatically restored. So you're up and running again. These 16 terabytes of online information is available to everybody on the network, either using a 10 gigabit Ethernet connection, or if you're in need of transferring very high capacity, very large video files, there is a fiber channel interface also available on the server. Now for completion of your project, the Constellation server also provides 2 LTO5 hard drives. Okay, they're right here. LTO5, which is the latest version of this data backup tape format, provides 1.5 terabytes of information per tape. Thus, with 2 drives included on the server, That gives you the ability to not only read a tape that may have some content already saved to it, but at the same time you can be writing to another tape for your backup purposes. Now LTO stands for Linear Tape Open, and basically it's a very secure, very proven form of archiving that's been available for many, many years. In fact, the best way to store and use the LTO tape format is to make 2 copies of your client's work. A finished project. Have 2 copies on the LTO tape. One to retain on site for immediate access, but secondly, store an LTO tape off-site for disaster recovery. However, what makes the Adromino server such a unique and really true archive appliance is its software. Just give me 1 second. The Adromino server includes the Constellation software. It's powered by Constellation Video Content Manager. This is the most powerful, most flexible asset management software available today. From the time video was initially ingested into your system, Constellation will, well, I should say actually when video is ingested into your system, from the time you proceed through your editing, your post-production process, into your final delivery and archiving of the project, Constellation will provide an automated, secure, and manageable solution for all those assets that are used on that particular project. But perhaps what's the most unique and what will be the most useful application in your situation is the search and retrieve function of Constellation. Basically what happens when video is brought into your environment, Constellation will automatically grab metadata or grab information from that video. Thus, when you go back and need to find a video clip, no matter how old it is, it's done by keyword search. So for instance, if you're looking for a woman in a green jacket, all you do in the search engine is punch in a woman in a green jacket, and instantly little pictures or proxy files of all the content that includes a woman in a green jacket will pop up on your screen. Then when you find a clip you need, click on it, and it's wherever it's located in your storage environment, it's sent to your workstation immediately. So this management tool gives the Adromino server the ability to integrate with any digital media workflow or work environment. Now let's review what's most important here. Your 3 needs that you needed to address today were more storage space, a safe method for archiving completed projects, and a user-friendly method for categorizing, search and retrieve, and basically saving projects for a long time. The Adromino server, in combination with Constellation asset management software, meets those needs. This archive asset management solution will provide the storage not only that you need today, but also provides a roadmap of storage that will grow as your needs grow. However, of course, a turnkey solution such as this does require a substantial initial investment, roughly $30,000. However, if you were to purchase or invest in each of these 3 components separately, meaning a big server, an LTO library for your data tape backup, as well as an asset management software to oversee everything, your costs would be substantially higher. In addition to that, you would not have a cohesive solution that's ready and designed to integrate into your existing workflow. I believe that you would agree with me at this point, the Adromino server is the value-added system that exceeds your needs. Now when the time comes to approve and move forward with the purchase of the server, The Adrona server will be delivered and installed at your location in 2 weeks, with training included. I thank you for granting me the opportunity to present our archive solution to you. We look forward to working with you on this project.